So let me show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Echo Show 5. So the Echo Show 5 itself is a speaker. You can actually use it as a Bluetooth speaker, but you can also connect other bigger speakers to this Echo Show 5 in case you want maybe louder sound or you want to connect it to your home entertainment system. Here's what to do. So make sure your Bluetooth speaker or home theater is turned on. And also make sure it's in pairing mode. So for this one, you can see it's in pairing mode. Now you want to go to the menu on your Echo Show 5 and then go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to Bluetooth.
I'm sorry, but this service is currently not available for businesses located.
And you can see my speaker has been detected. All I have to do is tap on it to pair. So I'm going to tap to pair. And it's going to get paired and connected. Simple as that. So now when you play sound out of this, it's going to play out of the Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching and good luck.